In today's data-driven world, the ability to extract meaningful insights quickly and accurately has become a critical skill for professionals across industries. Among the most powerful tools enabling this transformation is Power BI, Microsoft's flagship business intelligence platform. Central to Power BI's analytical capabilities is DAX, Data Analysis Expressions, a formula language that allows users to perform advanced calculations, build custom measures, and gain deeper insights from their data models. Whether you're a data analyst, business professional, or aspiring data scientist, understanding how to use DAX can dramatically elevate the value of your reports and dashboards. What is DAX? DAX stands for Data Analysis Expressions, a collection of functions, operators, and constants used in Power BI, Excel Power Pivot, and analysis services. It allows users to build formulas and expressions that define custom calculations, going beyond simple aggregation like sum or average. Unlike Excel formulas, DAX works with data models that understand relationships between tables, enabling cross-table computations and time intelligence analysis. It helps you answer complex questions such as, what is the sales growth percentage year over year? Who are my top performing customers? How does profit margin trend by region over time? Power BI users often start by creating visual reports using simple aggregations. However, as data grows in volume and complexity, those basic measures fall short. That's where DAX shines. Here's why DAX is so essential. Enables deeper insights. DAX allows you to calculate key metrics such as moving averages, running totals, customer retention, and profitability, all customized to your business logic. Enhances data models. You can use DAX to create calculated columns, measures, and tables that add analytical depth to your data. Supports time intelligence. DAX functions like total ITD, same period last year, and dates in period make it easy to perform date-based analysis such as year-to-date and month-over-month comparisons. Boosts dashboard interactivity. DAX-based measures dynamically adjust when filters or slicers change, ensuring accurate insights every time a user interacts with the report. Common examples of DAX formulas. Here are some popular DAX formulas that illustrate its power. Total sales, sum, sales revenue. Calculates the total sales across all records. Profit margin, divide, profit, total sales, 0. Determines profit as a percentage of total sales. Year-to-date sales, YTD, total YTD, sum, sales revenue, date. Shows cumulative sales up to the current date. Sales growth, percent, shows divide, total sales. Sales LY, 0. Compares current sales with the previous year's performance. These examples barely scratch the surface. DAX includes hundreds of functions for filtering, ranking, statistical analysis, and more. While DAX can seem intimidating at first, following a few best practices makes it more approachable. Understand context. DAX operates based on row context and filter context. Knowing the difference helps you predict how calculations behave. Start simple. Begin with basic measures like totals and averages, then layer in functions like calculate and filter for advanced scenarios. Leverage time intelligence. Build dynamic date-based metrics for trend analysis and forecasting. Use measures. Instead of calculated columns, measures are more efficient and respond dynamically to user selections. Validate results. Always verify calculations using smaller data sets to ensure accuracy. As you grow comfortable, you'll realize that mastering DAX is not about memorizing formulas, but about thinking in data models and relationships. For data professionals, proficiency in DAX is a career accelerator. Employers increasingly look for analysts and business intelligence specialists who can turn raw data into actionable insights. Mastering DAX makes you a more valuable contributor in roles like data analyst, business intelligence developer, or data scientist. Moreover, Power BI and DAX are now industry standards across enterprises, from startups to Fortune 500 companies. Gaining expertise in these tools can open doors to global job opportunities. Learn DAX and Power BI from industry experts. If you're looking to upskill or begin a career in analytics, Palium Skills offers specialized training programs designed to help you master DAX, Power BI, and broader data analytics concepts. Palium Skills conducts classroom and live online courses on data analyst, data scientist, and Power BI, delivered by industry experts with real-world experience. Their hands-on approach ensures that learners not only understand DAX functions, but also know how to apply them effectively in business scenarios. From foundational analytics to advanced data modeling, Palium Skills helps professionals build confidence and practical expertise in using Power BI for impactful decision-making. In essence, DAX is the analytical heart of Power BI. It transforms static data into powerful, interactive intelligence. By learning how to harness DAX effectively, you can move beyond surface-level reporting to truly uncover insights that drive business growth. And with guided mentorship from experienced trainers at Palium Skills, mastering DAX becomes not just achievable, but enjoyable, paving your way to a successful data-driven career.